And welcome back. Continuing the news. November is Pancreatic Cancer Awareness Month. Although this type of cancer is not as common as other cancers, it remains among the deadliest types. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this week's edition of The Health Report.
The pancreas is a gland behind the stomach and in front of the spine. It produces the juices that help break down food and the hormones that help control blood sugar levels.
But where it's found, there are lots of other structures around it, and a tumor may grow for a significant time before producing symptoms that might make the patient go to the doctor. So the symptoms include bloating, discomfort, maybe feeling full rather quickly. Patients who are patients may also develop jaundice, weight loss.
The cause of pancreatic cancer is unknown, but there are some factors that can increase the risk.
Now, pancreatic cancer remains predominantly a disease of middle-aged to older patients. It's very uncommon for somebody to develop pancreatic cancer less than the age of 40. Often patients who do that may have a genetic predisposition. But certainly if you are a middle-aged patient, if you have a history of smoking, or if you certainly have a family member who has had pancreatic cancer or other cancers, and you've found that you're feeling tired, just a vague uneasiness, discomfort, particularly to the upper abdomen and back, then it might be worthwhile going to your physician.
Persons rarely experience signs of pancreatic cancer until the disease has progressed or spread. Therefore, it is typically diagnosed at a later stage.
When it's chemotherapeutic agents, mostly, the surgery for pancreatic cancer has not changed all that much. It's pretty much a similar surgery, although for tumors that are found earlier, we can do pylorus preserving. We can modify the technique and give better quality of life. Unfortunately, in Jamaica, we don't tend to see a lot of early disease. So oftentimes, most of our patients at the time of when they are diagnosed, we are thinking, how can we relieve symptoms and improve quality of life rather than how can we cure these patients.
With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.